Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by isolating the problem, don't guess. First, test both sides with a known good audio source and a different cable. Once done, check physical signs, frayed wires, loose jack, torn ear cup ribbon, so you know where to focus. Make sure to have a small multimeter ready to check continuity. It often reveals a break inside the cable. Remove ear cushions carefully to expose screws. Keep track of parts. This fast diagnosis saves time and prevents unnecessary disassembly later. You now open the cup and look for the obvious breakpoints. Use a spudger to separate clips, then remove the internal cover so you can inspect solder joints and the cable's strain relief. Once open, gently wiggle the wire while watching for movement at the solder. This shows intermittent faults. If a wire is broken, strip 1/8-inch tin leads and resolder with steady heat. If a connector is corroded, replace it. Be methodical. Label screws and keep parts organized so reassembly is smooth. You complete the repair by making durable connections. Solder joints should be shiny and insulated with heat shrink. Once cooled, reassemble the housing but don't fully tighten screws. Test first at low volume to confirm both drivers work and there is no buzzing. If sound is still off, swap in a known good cable or driver to isolate the faulty component. Finally, secure everything, tighten screws, and replace cushions. If problems remain, try a fresh jack or wireless reset. Sometimes the fix is replacing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.